Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Apple released iOS 11.4 Developer Beta 4. This is out for developers and probably public beta testers later today or tomorrow. It depends on when you're watching this video. Let's take a look at the build number. The build number is 15F5071A, and generally based off that particular build number, it means that the final or the Gold Master might be released next week. When we get closer to the end, we get a speed up of the betas. So it used to be every 2 weeks until beta 4. Now it's every week, it seems like. So we would expect another beta on the 14th, maybe on the 21st, we'll have the final. But usually with WWDC right around the corner, 11.4 will be released then. Now, I haven't been able to find anything new in this particular beta. On the previous beta, the only thing people found later on was that it fixed the 3D touch bug. So when you unlock it, it unlocks and then 3D touch works right away. And that wasn't working before, it's working now. And on beta 3, people noticed that the HomePod showed that there might be notes for things to come to calendar on HomePod as well. This particular beta just has 4 known fixes, mostly for developers, and that's really all there is. So they're getting really close to getting this released to the public, and then we'll see iOS 12 in a few weeks from now. So far, everything feels smoother and fast. Anytime I go into the 3D Touch or different apps, things are seeming quicker on this particular beta. I think it'll be much better than beta 3, as I had a lot of bugs on beta 3. So there's not a whole lot more going on with this particular beta, but it seems to be a little bit better. Now, I did run a Geekbench on this, and it came in pretty good like you'd expect. 4,198 for single core, 10,140 for multi-core score. Now, if we take a look at the history, you'll see I ran 2 previous ones on this particular beta, and they weren't very good, but I let the device cool down, waited an hour or so, and then ran it again, and it worked just fine. So we're right on par of what we'd expect. Like I said, everything feels fast and fluid, no issues, and there's not much more to report with this particular beta. There's not going to be a lot with these betas, as we're beta 4, beta 5, maybe beta 6, and the final release. It's hard to say at this point. If you found anything, though, let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to get your hands on this wallpaper, I'll leave it in the description below, as I always do. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.